You got some long tendrils there.
Yeah.
Is there anything that you're running into that's like, this is such a pain and I wish somebody could figure this out?
For a while, the place I was going to in San Francisco was razor cuts, and they were doing like lots of shaggy type things, bangs, and I just found it like really hard to style every day.
Yeah.
And then it would grow out and it kind of lost its oomph really quickly.
Razor on curls is, it can be a thing for sure, but for long term and especially for like health, if health is kind of like the number one thing, I definitely would not recommend that. Were they taking you a lot shorter too?
Yeah, a lot of shorter layers on top, which I just didn't love.
Gotcha. You did not like those high layers. Okay. Is there anything that you know that you do love that you're like, I've seen this or that, that's like, ooh, that's the best?
No, and I've been looking for a while to see something that I love, but I haven't. I mean, I love when I see girls with long curls and it looks really full and flowy and...
Full and flowy.
Yeah, I think you had cut someone's hair recently who had really long curls as well.
Okay.
And I loved her look. I don't remember her name on the video. It was fairly recent.
I'll have to roll it back and we'll take a
She
look.
also had really long hair.
Okay.
Yeah.
How goes styling your hair?
I usually air dry it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Are you using anything specific?
It's varied over the years.
I see that part. Is that the typical spot?
That's where like I feel like I have a major cowlick, and that tends to be.
Popping. Yeah.
Yeah. But I switch it up sometimes, but it usually ends up wanting to go
this way. When you switch it up, are you going down the middle or are you just flopping it over the other side?
Flopping over, sometimes the middle, but middle's not my favorite.
Middle is not your favorite. Okay. I want you to be as versatile as you want to be, which would mean I'll cut it down the middle, which doesn't mean you wear it down the middle. And then we could switch it over here and dial this side in if this happens more often than not. Or I can leave it here and we can really dial this in and not worry about so much about the versatility of it. You choose. There's no wrong answer. It's all going to be very
It will be
close.
on this side.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. That's what we're going to focus on then. So when you're looking for the density, I mean, at least it's shown up how much hair you actually have. Just take the time to unwind those. Like you said, they are going to find their way back, but that's when you probably got to flip over and shake or just pull them apart a little bit. You do got a lot of different stuff going on here.
Okay.
I just want to take the time to connect everything. And I feel like if we did that, I think you'll be like super happy. I'm seeing, and you call me out, like be like, I don't want to touch that if there's anything, but you see down there, there's like some weird unevenness here. It's like there's a chop, and then you've got this like under layer here. This side not as much, but kinda.
Yeah, I see it.
So I want to at least come across here.
Yeah.
If that's okay with you, if that's not going to break your heart.
No.
Okay. I do think that we should leave as much hair as possible for density's sake, but I think so that you don't feel kind of drugged down, I think some face framing is in order for sure. We're not going to go crazy high because I don't want your cowlick to like, the weight is kind of helping like, okay, cool, this is where we're going to go. So we're not going to take that up too high, but I do like the idea of bringing it up and then trickling that into the rest of it. And then on this side, seeing as you wear it like flipped over, we can have a bit more fun over here because this seems very disconnected to all this, right? So that's where I'm only going to move this up a little bit, but then I'm going to kind of make some connecting pieces into the rest of this. So it's going to kind of, happen here. So any layering that's really happening is like 99% all face.
Okay.
So that's what's going to leave you as full as possible down here. I'll make sure that it like blends around. But if you want full and long, that sounds like the best move to me. And that's probably where you're going to want to stick for a minute.
That sounds good.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Cool.